Want to beef up your business skills? You've come to the right place. I'm Danny, Head of Marketing at iStorm, and I created this course to give you the edge no matter what business you're in. And how? Spreadsheets. Now, let's stop for a moment. You may be thinking, what are spreadsheets? Or why would I use spreadsheets? Or I've seen someone else use them, but I don't really need them. And I know that's what you're probably thinking because that's exactly what I thought about 7 years ago before I jumped into them. But I can tell you from experience that once you see what spreadsheets can do for you, you will never go back, like ever. Ever, getting back together. Sorry, not sure what happened just there. Anyway, where was I? Not to mention heaps of projects and jobs actually now require you to have good spreadsheet skills. And the ones I'm about to give you are beyond what any business owner needs to know. So the course is divided into two parts. Part 1, which you're watching right now, is perfect if you've had zero or hardly any experience in spreadsheets before. It's completely free and it introduces you to the basics of spreadsheets, including what they are and what they do. You'll also learn how to use the spreadsheet layout, tools, and basic formulas, and you'll also get to create and manipulate your very first business dataset. This course is designed to prepare you perfectly for Spreadsheet for Business Part 2, which gives you all the tools and knowledge you need to apply spreadsheets to your business. In Part 2, you'll be working with me to build and test 10 practical and detailed business spreadsheets that I designed, and that are actually ready to be used in practice. They are as follows: a dynamic reading and course completion tracker with automatic progress bars, a quick project overview calculator, which is a method that you can use to get a quick overview of any project and find out whether it's sustainable in a matter of minutes, an extremely fast project management tracker, a hardcore item discount calculator, a super useful monthly budget sheet with dynamic month selection, a really neat quote and supplier comparison sheet, a scalable personal skill tracking sheet, a super sweet weekly budget spread for precision spending with an automated recurring wage function, an ultra useful and infinitely customizable invoice generator, and last but not least, are you ready? The ultimate, a fully fledged affiliate sales database with automated commission tracking, a bidding system, and a scalable product database built solely using a spreadsheet. Oh yeah. Both parts of the course are flooded with heaps of tips and tricks that I use on a daily basis that'll make your spreadsheet stand out like a lion in a sheep paddock. Now, the other thing I want to establish for you alongside this course is something ongoing that you can use to continue to develop your spreadsheet skills. So, simply by enrolling, you'll receive access to an exclusive live online community where you and your fellow spreadsheeters can share business spreadsheet templates, as well as share spreadsheet techniques and questions. As you can see, this community is already becoming an amazing resource and a place where you can learn heaps and get help. But remember, this community is only accessible to Spreadsheets for Business students, so you'll want to get in on that. Now, on top of all that, at the end of Part 2, you'll have the opportunity to complete a final challenge that I set for you using the skills that you gained in the course. I'll personally examine your submission, should you choose to do it, and if you pass, I'll provide you with a personally addressed signed letter of recommendation endorsing your spreadsheet skills and an online certificate of completion, which you can use for your trophy case, Facebook bragging rights, or even job applications if it comes to that. So thank you so much for watching. It's an absolute pleasure to have the opportunity to teach you, give you the business edge with spreadsheets, and to share my passion for them. In fact, I just can't wait. So enough talking and I'll see you in the course.